नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So we'll have a screen sharing. So are you all able to see what I'm sharing? Are you all able to see what I'm sharing and you're all able to hear me?
Yes, Prabhu. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you. So we were here at the 8th chapter. Yes. Yes. So the setting of the scene is that the entire Mahabharat war is over, and after the entire finishing of the Mahabharat war, we have uh, Krishna wanting to leave for Dwarka. He has been out of Dwarka for 5 months, and devotees in Dwarka are waiting. So Krishna is also feeling their separation. And now that everything is over, Krishna says, I should now leave and I should go back to my devotees. So as Krishna is leaving, that is when Kunti Maharani comes and she starts praying. Yeah. So that's the setting of the scene of the entire chapter, wherein the Lord wants to leave now, and as he is leaving, Kunti Maharani is feeling that no, she should not leave. Sorry, he should not leave. So we see the Pandavas, they, after the entire war is over, the Pandavas, they go to the Ganges in order to do all the uh, Shraddha and Pinda Karma. Yeah. Yudhishthira Maharaj did Pinda and Shraddha for everyone who was present, everyone who died. So Pandavas went to the holy Ganges and everyone is crying. Nobody is happy, although they have won a war, although they have crossed over insurmountable obstacles, but people are not happy. You see, Draupadi is not happy, Kunti is not happy, Gandhari definitely is not happy, Pandavas are not happy. This is how we see, uh, even at the cost of wanting happiness or not wanting happiness, one must execute duty. So here we have uh, definition of five type of praja, which needs to be given protection. It says Brahmanas, cows, women, children, and old men. Yes, they should always be protected. So dharma, one of the essential definitions of dharma is to ensure all of their protection. जब हम ब्राह्मण गौ जब हम भगवान के लिए भोग लगाते समय प्रार्थना गाते हैं, so what is the
ओम
uh,
ब्राह्मण
Krishna
गो ब्राह्मण
pranati mantra that we chant? Namo brahmanya devaya go brahman hitaya cha jagad hitaya krishnaya govindaya namo namah. Namo brahmanya deva, that supreme person. Yes. Go Brahmana Hitaya cha, who always
गो
thinks of the best for Gau and Brahmanas. Jagad Hitaya, not only them, he is thinking for everyone's benefit. Yes. Jagad Hitaya, Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. So Brahmanas and cows, and in this world, it is women, children, and old men that needs to be protected. So Krishna had Yudhishthira perform 3 sacrifices after this. And as Krishna is leaving, Krishna prepares to leave for Dwarka. And that's when we see Uttara, the wife of Abhimanyu, who had died in the battlefield, who had got Veeragati. He was unjustly killed by 7 Maharathis together in the Chakravyuha. So Abhimanyu's wife Uttara is pregnant and she comes. Just a minute. So Uttara is saying, Pahi Pahi Mahayogin Deva Deva Jagatpate Nanyatvad Abhayam Pashye Yatra Mrityu Parasparam. Oh my dear Lord, Pahi Pahi, please look at us. Mahayogin, you are the supreme mystic. What not you can do for your devotees. Dev Deva Jagatpate. She is practically in panic. And in that panic driven situation, we see she is.
रुद्र बडबड करण्यापेक्षा ये इकडे भागवतम आहे.
So Pahi Pahi Mahayogin Deva Deva Jagatpate. Nanyatvan Abhayam Pashye Yatra Mrityu Parasparam. Wherever there is Mrityu in front, na anyatva abhaya. So Mrityu causes bhaya. And who can save from that bhaya? It is only you, my dear Krishna. न अन्यत्वद अभयम, आपको छोड़ करके मृत्यु की घटिका पे और कोई भी अभय नहीं दे सकता. इसीलिए भगवान का एक नाम मुकुंद है. मुकुंद अर्थात जो the giver of liberation, Mukunda. So we see Ashwatthama has shot a Brahmastra in order to kill the last remaining descendant of the Pandava clan. So the last remaining descendant is, अब पांडवों के बाद में कौन बच गया? अभिमन्यु मर गया, घटोत्कच मर गया, 5 द्रौपदी के पुत्र मर गए, बचा कौन? केवल उत्तरा का एक बेटा जो कहाँ है? उत्तरा के गर्भ में है. उसके पिता भी नष्ट हो गए, अभिमन्यु इज नो मोर. So then the last descendant, so Ashwatthama is so much driven by that hatred, he wants to finish off the last Pandava clan also. So he releases Brahmastra, and when Brahmastra was released, then Uttara, seeing that, oh, this is what is happening, she comes running. And that's when we see Krishna counteracts Ashwatthama's Brahmastra by covering her embryo with his personal energy. So Krishna was there, beautiful scene. There are two versions of this entire sequence that we see. One version of the sequence is that because of the power of the Brahmastra, the baby in the womb of Uttara had already died. Krishna gave the baby a new life. This is what is said. And the second version also is said is that when Uttara came and she was in danger, so Uttara says, if you wish, O my Lord, let I die, let me perish, but let this womb be protected. He is my baby. So you see, Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully in this purport कि पहले के जो सूक्ष्म अस्त्र होते थे, शस्त्र होते थे, कितने अचूक और पावरफुल होते थे कि ब्रह्मास्त्र, इफ इट इज गाइडेड एट द वूम्ब ऑफ उत्तरा, इट विल टच एंड डिस्ट्रॉय उत्तराज वूम्ब, लेकिन वो उत्तरा का बाल नहीं बांका करेगा. इमेजिन, isn't this wonderful? Isn't this a higher level of science? उत्तरा के गर्भ में वो बालक है, ब्रह्मास्त्र उस बालक का नामो निशान मिटा देगा, उसकी राख तक को नहीं रखेगा, लेकिन उत्तरा का बाल भी बाका नहीं होगा. हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल? कैन वी डू इट इन टुडेज डे एंड एज? इट डजंट हैपन. सो द बायगॉन एजेस साइंस वाज फार सुपीरियर टू टुडेज साइंस. So Uttara is coming. So the second version says that Uttara, when she prayed, Krishna personally, Angushtamatram Amalam, Srimad Bhagavatam gives an analogy of कितने आए भगवान, किस साइज के थे भगवान? भगवान इस साइज के थे, Angushtamatram Amalam. And the baby in the womb of Uttara, who's Parikshit Maharaj, he saw that Angushtamatra Bhagavan with Chaturbhuja, Shankha Chakra Gada and Shankha Chakra Gada and Padma. He carries, he's going around and round, he's circumambulating Uttara's womb. Yes. And the Lord is circumambulating the womb, and the Lord's Sudarshan Chakra is circumambulating the Lord. So it is like sun is there, सन के बाजू में पृथ्वी घूमती है और पृथ्वी के बाजू में चंद्र घूमता है. तो चंद्र पृथ्वी के बाजू में घूमते 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 सूर्य के बाजू में भी घूम रहा है. उसी प्रकार अंदर उत्तरा के गर्भ में परीक्षित हैं, उनके बाजू में भगवान घूम रहे हैं, और भगवान के बाजू में कौन घूम रहे हैं? सुदर्शन चक्र घूम रहा है. यू सी व्हाट कृष्णा कांट डू टू गिव प्रोटेक्शन टू हिज डिवोटीज. वो स्वयं आए हैं. And just to give added, you see, when Krishna's devotees call Krishna fervently, even Krishna comes in tension. भगवान को भी टेंशन आ जाता है. भगवान सोचते हैं अरे चूक नहीं होना चाहिए. You see, many a times we do everything that is there in our power, but still it fails. Correct or no? हमको ये, we have this experience. We really do everything in our might, but still sometimes everything fails. So भगवान सोच रहे यार मैं सब कुछ करूंगा लेकिन फेल हो गया तो. So this is a transcendental rasa between the Lord and the Pandavas, that he feels अरे this child should not perish. He is the last remaining fragment of the Pandavas' blood. There should be, everything should be given up just to save this child. Why? He is Pandavas' blood. So Krishna is going around and he thinks, अरे by chance mistake हो गया तो. So this is where we see Krishna in his love towards his devotees. He transcends his power and he comes in the mood of rasa. हम चाहे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया हो या प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया हो, लेकिन कई बार सिचुएशंस हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होते. लेकिन हम तो जीव हैं, हम तो प्रकृति से बद्ध हैं. लेकिन भगवान इतने महान हैं, फिर भी उन्हें लगता है यार कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. दिस इज हाउ वी सी व्हेन इन महाभारत वॉर, व्हेन दुर्योधन हैड गॉन टू मीट भीष्मा वंस, कि दादाजी आप अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे रहे हो, यू आर रियली नॉट गिविंग योर बेस्ट. इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दिस. आप अगर सही में अपने हृदय से लड़े, पांडवों की पूरी सेना को खत्म करना आधे दिन का काम है. एंड एक्चुअली इट वाज ट्रू. भीष्मा वाज सो पावरफुल. पूरी पांडव सेना, 7 अक्षौहिणी सेना को खत्म करना भीष्म के लिए आधे दिन का काम था. बट हाउ कैन anything happen to Lord's devotees? It's a transcendental subject matter. So Duryodhan came and coaxed. ये देखो क्या होने वाला है. So there we see Krishna goes and Duryodhan goes and says, you are not fighting nicely. So now Bhishma is a Kshatriya. When he is challenged like this, you see Kshatriyas उनको challenge नहीं करना चाहिए. किसी भी चुनौती क्षत्रिय के लिए, किसी भी छोटे से छोटी चुनौती भी क्षत्रिय के लिए वो it really takes his mind to a very different level. So भीष्म नहीं, ये 5 बाण, ये 5 बाणों से मैं 5 पांडवों को कल मारूंगा. My promise to you. And दुर्योधन, you see how Krishna, दुर्योधन की मति फिर गई. बोले आज तो ये 5 बाण हैं, रात को सोते सोते आपने कुछ और विचार कर लिया तो ये 5 बाण आप मुझे दे दो, कल सुबह मैं आपको वापस दूंगा. एंड देन यू फाइट विद देम एंड यू किल पांडव. इज दैट फाइन? भीष्मा सेड फाइन. सो आफ्टर दिस Arjuna was sleeping. Krishna is antaryami, he knows everything. So Krishna, he went to Arjuna and Arjuna was sleeping. And Krishna could not sleep. Krishna सोच रहे क्या करूं. You see, Krishna सोच रहे क्या करूं. So he goes and he says, अरे भाई अर्जुन ऐसा ऐसा है. So अर्जुन बोलते अब क्या करें. So then he says अब तुम जाओ. और दुर्योधन से पहले, I'll not go into that story. Duryodhana has promised you a boon. So get those 5 arrows from him. So here we see the first instance wherein Arjuna is peacefully sleeping and Krishna is not able to sleep. The same thing happened when Jayadratha's incident also. जयद्रथ को मारने के लिए अर्जुन ने वाव लिया था. If by tomorrow evening I am not able to kill Jayadratha, I will enter funeral pyre. So the whole night Krishna is thinking, कैसे पागल ने ये वाव लिया है, अकल ही नहीं है इसको. He is really too much dependent on me. He is so much dependent on me that I am not able to sleep और वो कराटे मार रहा है. This is the beautiful dealing between Krishna and his devotees. Arjuna is sleeping. So Krishna goes to Arjuna and he says, अरे अर्जुना तेरे को डर नहीं लग रहा, कल क्या होगा. So Arjuna gets up half from his sleep and he says, oh my lord, क्यों जगा दिया. You know who I am and what I can do. I know who you are and what you can do. So let me sleep peacefully. He goes to sleep. And Krishna is sitting like this. अब इस बच्चे का क्या करें? I am not able to understand. So when a devotee surrenders everything to Krishna, Krishna is so very, very pleased. Krishna takes personal tension. So here is a classic example. When in Uttara, she's tensed. And Krishna goes around that room and just for added protection, he says, oh, even the Sudarshan Chakra goes around Krishna. Yes. So 15 to 17th verses of Shrimad Bhagavatam, this chapter say, it is not astonishing. अरे भगवान के लिए कुछ नहीं है, ये कुछ नहीं है भगवान के लिए. What Krishna can't do for his devotees, Krishna is indebted to his devotees. Yes. So what is Shrimad Bhagavat? Shrimad Bhagavat is story after story after story, verse after verse after verse of how only two things happen in Shrimad Bhagavat. One is how his devotees continually surrender at his lotus feet. And second, how Krishna is personally there to see that his devotees are always protected. This is the loving dealing between them. So now, after the entire thing is over, we come to the place wherein, so this is how we see Parikshit Maharaj. He comes into picture. So Parikshit, this baby, he had seen the Lord circumambulating. कोई तो है जो जा रहा है, गुरु 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 घूम रहा है, और उसने मेरी जान बचाई है. And this baby in the womb of the mother, he remembers that form. उन्होंने पीतांबर पहना है, मकर कुंडल डाले हैं, बहुत सुंदर बाजू बंद है, कमर पट्टा है, नुपुर है पैरों में, सुंदर कमल नयन है, कमल जैसे होठ है, अंदर पोमग्रेनेट अनार के दानों जैसे दांत हैं, स्मित हास्य करते हुए भगवान शंख चक्र गदा पद्म लेके जोर से घूम रहे हैं. ये दर्शन लिया था उस बालक ने अपनी मां के गर्भ में. So when he came out of the womb of his mother and when he became like walking, crawling age, so कौतूहल से वो बालक हमेशा हर किसी के पास जाके, अरे ये वही व्यक्ति है क्या जिसको मैंने मां के गर्भ में देखा, ये वही व्यक्ति है क्या जिसको मैंने मां के गर्भ में देखा. He would go and see everyone's face. So because he would go and see everyone's face and does everyone's pariksha, कि अरे ये वही है क्या, ये वही है क्या. So because he would do pariksha of everyone, because he is not able to forget that form is so beautiful. So because he kept on doing everyone's pariksha, that balak came to be known as Parikshit. So this is the marma beyond the name Parikshit, जो भगवान के उस स्वरूप को भूला नहीं है और भगवान के उस स्वरूप को हर किसी व्यक्ति के पास जाकर, अरे ये वही है क्या. So after the entire battle is over, Krishna wants to leave, and when Krishna wants to leave, that's when we see Kunti Maharani and all the Pandavas, they personally come. You can see in the picture here. So Krishna is there sitting on a chariot. Yes, here there is Arjuna who is doing chamar. Here there is Yudhishthira Maharaj. They are all seeing Krishna leaving. And that's when Kunti, everything, see, for a mother to see all her children like this, उसके मन पे क्या बीती होगी. Just imagine कीजिए, सुबह दोपहर शाम पिछले 70-80 सालों से दो व्यक्ति केवल मेरे 5 लड़कों को मारना चाहते. They are living to see my sons dead. That's the condition, isn't it? और प्लस उनके हाथ में पूरी ताकत है, पूरी सत्ता है. ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं वो, ईर्ष्यालु हैं, घातकी हैं. द एंटायर उनके जीवन का मकसद है मेरे 5 बेटों को खत्म करना. तो एक माँ के ऊपर जब वो ऐसे जानेगी तो माँ के दिल के ऊपर क्या बीत रही होगी. एंड कृष्णा हैज बीन देयर ऑल थ्रू आउट जस्ट टू गिव प्रोटेक्शन. सो Kunti Maharani is very, very indebted. She just can't forget Krishna. So she comes and she starts glorifying. Very spontaneous glorification. Very, very spontaneous. She has not thought, अरे कल सुबह 8 बजे भगवान जाएंगे ना, तो मैं कुछ भगवान के लिए अभी पेन करके रखती हूँ. कल सुबह आया नहीं तो मैं पेन पेपर जाके पढ़ूंगी पेपर पे. No, very spontaneous, right from her heart. So she says, so from the 8th chapter, 18th verse till the 43rd verse, we have Kunti Maharani's prayers. So 18th verse, Namasye Purusham Tvadyam Ishwaram Prakrite Param Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam Antar Bahir Avasthitam. Says Namasye Purusham Tvadyam. So, Namasye, I offer my obeisances. Who are you? You are a Purusha. You are actually the enjoyer. Purusha is predominator and Prakriti is predominated. So, the predominator always enjoys a higher position than predominated. So, as jivas, as living entities, even we are Prakriti, we are predominated. But in this material world, we are falsely under the influence of the three material modes of nature. We are trying to usurp Krishna's position and we are trying to become Purusha. We are trying to become predominators. How will material nature allow? Possible है क्या? अगर भगवान चाहेंगे तो भी माया ऐसा होने नहीं देगी. You see, a very simple example we can understand. पिताजी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं. पिताजी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं. Yes. So माँ बच्चा पिताजी को बोलता है पिताजी मैं भी गाड़ी चलाऊंगा. So पिताजी मस्त देना चाहे, माँ देगी क्या? माँ बोलेगी कि हाँ भाई अजीत दे दो इसके हाथ में, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, माँ बोलेगी ये क्या है, इसको कुछ नहीं आता है, तुमको हमारे सबकी जिंदगी की परवाह नहीं है. So even if Krishna wants to make us, Maya will not allow. So as living entities, we are predominated, and when we understand that we are predominated, we are Prakriti, we are meant for Krishna's bhoga. That is the essence of understanding of absolute truth. So Kunti has no problem in understanding this. Namasya Purusham tu Adyam. You are the Adya Purusha. Ishvara Prakrite Param. You are transcendental to material nature. The modes of material nature, Sattva, Raja and Tama, cannot touch you. They cannot even come near you. Yes. Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam. You are not visible to everyone. Krishna himself says in Bhagavad Gita, Maya Javanika Achannam. I always keep myself covered with the curtain of Maya. Unless one surrenders unto me, one is not able to see me. So seeing Krishna is only possible when we transcend material nature, Prakriti Param. And the entire teaching of Bhagavad Gita is to make us slowly transcend material nature. Antar Bahiravasthitam, you are there within this material world, you are there outside this material world also. Antar Bahiravasthitam. And she says ahead, the second meaning of Antar Bahiravasthitam is Krishna was outside the womb of Uttara, standing, and he was inside the womb of Uttara also, protecting. So Antar and Bahir Avasthitam. So how can Krishna be known? Yes, we have this verse here. Maya Javanika Channam Ajnana Dhokshajam Avyayam Na Lakshya Se Mudhadrisha Nato Natyo Dharo Yatha. So when somebody is covered by the modes of material nature, Maya Javanika, Javanika means Parda. Achan, it is covered. Ajnana Adhokshaja Avyayam. Adnya Adhokshaja Avyayam. Adnya, you can't be known by blunt material senses. When senses are purified, only with purified senses can one know you, O my Lord. Adnya Adhokshaja Avyayam. You are the supreme eternal, but nothing falls short when you are there. Avyaya. Na lakshya se mudhadrisha. Someone who is grossly mad. Someone who is grossly not in senses. It is exactly like अगर कोई आदमी यहाँ पे खड़ा रह के बोले, ये अगर नरेंद्र मोदी है ना, आने दो उसको उधर, मैं देख लेगा, इज ही नॉट ग्रॉसली मैड? अगर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप है ना, आने दो इधर, मैं देख लेगा, अरे तू वो तेरे को क्यों देखेगा? वाई विल ही लुक एट यू? आपने कौन सा पहाड़, बड़ा पहाड़ चढ़ लिया जो वो आपको देखने के लिए आएगा? उसको क्या मिलेगा? सिमिलरली पीपल, अरे भगवान है ना, आने दो इधर। श्रील प्रभुपाद कहते हैं भगवान का आपके बाप क्या नौकर है वो, जो आप बुलाएंगे और आएगा, उसको और कुछ काम नहीं है। आप खुद किसी के घर जाएंगे क्या? अगर वो बोले ए तू है ना, आ मेरे घर में देख लेता हूं तेरे को, आप खुद जाएंगे क्या? आप खुद ही नहीं जाएंगे, आप बोलेंगे अरे यार पागल आदमी है, छोड़ दो। सो भगवान कैसे जाएंगे? इट इज सो मैड फॉर अस टू थिंक भगवान है तो आने दो। अरे ऐसे कैसे? Who we think we are, that for us Krishna should come? Height of illusion. So na lakshya se mood drisha. Someone who is wanting to see Krishna, if you really pray to Krishna, Krishna will come. If you challenge Krishna, अरे भगवान क्या है? अंदर से एक जो मेन, वन मेन आर्टरी एंड वन मेन वेन हृदय के अंदर, तो एक मेन आर्टरी को अगर 30 सेकंड बंद करेगा ना भगवान, हमारा हरिबोल हो जाएगा। उतना काफी है भगवान के लिए, आने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो खुद बुला लेंगे। सो वन शुड नेवर बी अंडर दिस इल्यूजन, अरे भगवान मतलब वो दिखेंगे तब वो भगवान है। भगवान कब दिखेंगे? प्रेमांजन छुरित भक्ति विलोचनेन संतः सदैव हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति। जब भगवान के प्रति प्रेम है, भगवान के प्रति त्याग की भावना है, सेवा की भावना है, ऐसे प्रेम के अंजन डाले हुए जब हम भगवान को सेवा करने की इच्छा से आगे बढ़ते हैं, तब भगवान स्वयं हमारे पास आते हैं। दैट इज व्हेन वी गेट द लॉर्ड। सो भक्ति और wanting the Lord in our life is not an aroha pantha. Aroha pantha means I try to do something so that I can see the Lord. It is never possible. Having God in our lives is always avaroha pantha. When He wants, He will come. Everything that we are doing in our lives is only to see that, Lord, please, please come in our lives. Please bless me with your existence, with your presence in my lives. And Lord is so merciful, He's already coming. He's coming in the form of Bhagavad Gita, He's coming in the form of Bhagavatam, He's coming in the form of holy names, He's coming in the form of devotees, He's coming in the form of prasad, He's coming in the form of satsang. अरे इन सभी माध्यमों से मैं तो आपके घर में ही हूं. The question is, how much are we able to access that माध्यम? उस माध्यम को हम कितना टच कर पा रहे हैं? So न लक्ष्य से मूढ़ दृशा, someone who is grossly mad, वो नहीं देख सकता भगवान को। कैसे नहीं देख सकता? नटो नाट्यो धरो यथा, जैसे रामलीला का बड़ा मैदान चलता है, उसमें एक आदमी राम बनता है, एक आदमी रावण बनता है, और बाद में वो दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर बाण मारते हैं, और यहाँ पे एक्टिंग होती है, राम बाण मारता है, रावण आके मर जाता है, यस, विजय उत्सव होता है वगैरह सब। लेकिन जैसे ही पर्दा बंद हो जाता है, रावण तुरंत उठता है, हे आज क्या जोर से मारा रे बाण, सच्ची में लगा। सो ऑन दिस स्टेज इट विल, once the पर्दा goes, अरे यार लगा इतना जोर से, कल मत मारना, कल भी शो है। सो नटो नाट्यो धरो यथा. So what goes on beyond the screen of wheel of Maya and what is projected on the screen of Maya is completely different. Exactly like a movie. Movie project होती है क्या वो एक्चुअली केवल पर्दा है और कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन हमको हीरो हीरोइन को देख के लगता है अरे मैं भी कभी हीरो बनूंगा. Yes, this is Maya Javanika. So entire process of Krishna consciousness is taught to transcend Maya Javanika. And Krishna has been so merciful, so kind to Kunti Devi, to Pandavas, just to keep Pandavas' blood. Krishna has taken that whole tension. So right now we will stop. Our 40 minutes time is getting over. Next Sunday we will again meet. Till then, thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Grantaraj Srimad Bhagavat ki jai. Kunti Maharani ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Radai Gaur Premanande. Hari Hari Bol.